How to make a simple compass. Using the sun and a stick. Place a stick about 90 centimeters long vertically into the ground. Mark the tip of its shadow with a small stone. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. The shadow will move. Mark the new tip of the shadow with another stone. Draw a straight line between the two stones. This line shows the east-west direction. The first mark you made indicates west. The second mark indicates east. Place your left foot on the first stone, west, and your right foot on the second stone, east. Now you're facing north. This method can be used anywhere in the world to find direction using only sunlight.